Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm Dr. Alex and I'm a doctor of chiropractic, and today I'm joined by Snowy. Snowy has today come to the clinic because of a lot of tightness and tension in the upper shoulder, upper mid-back area. Also been suffering from occasional headaches, etc. So today she's come to the clinic to seek treatment for this, and we're going to provide her with that. So, 来吧。对。不痛吗？
不痛。
好的。
吸气，深吸一口气。
呼气。对。很好。吸气。呼气。对，很好。很好，非常好。放松。很好。放松。非常好。好，可以，很好，可以，可以吗？
可以。
OK，准备好打包架了吗 ？Let's go， 来吧。You got in a good angle now? Okay.
放松。
放松。And it's a free nose breathe. 吸气。呼气。对。很好。
不痛吧？不痛。我觉得我的颈椎所有的上去都上去了，被打。